Today in this video, I am going to teach you how you can add this cool preloader effect in your website using Elementor for free. There is no other specific plugin needed for this now on. First, edit your page with Elementor. Then click on this Elementor logo and click on Site Settings. Then scroll down to bottom and click on Page Transitions. You can adjust the background color of your preloader page you like. Now click on Preloader and select the type to image because we want logo preloader. Select your logo from the image library. Choose which animation style you want to apply on your image logo. And adjust rest of the settings according to your will. You can see our loader image is working perfectly fine. It lets websites visitors to stay on the page until the data is loaded.